What happens if you drink clove tea every day? Clove tea has been gaining popularity lately for its potential health benefits, but is it safe to consume daily? We'll dive into the details in this video, so make sure to watch until the end to get all the facts. Now let's start by making a delicious cup of clove tea. To make clove tea, you'll need a few cloves, hot water, and optional additions like honey, lemon, or cinnamon. Cloves are aromatic flower buds from the clove tree and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They're packed with antioxidants and have potential health benefits. So what exactly can you gain from making clove tea a daily ritual? Let's explore the incredible advantages. 1. Boosting immune system. Our immune system is like a fortress, tirelessly defending our body against invaders like viruses and bacteria. But sometimes it could use a little extra support. Enter clove tea. Cloves are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, making them a powerful ally for your immune system. They're like the superheroes of the spice world. Antioxidants in clove tea, like eugenol, work wonders. They neutralize harmful free radicals that can weaken your immune defenses. Think of them as the shield protecting your immune warriors. Studies have shown that cloves have antibacterial and antiviral properties. So when you drink clove tea daily, you're giving your immune system an extra boost to fight off infections. 2. Aiding digestion. Digestion is the cornerstone of good health. It's where all the nutrients you need are absorbed and where your body processes waste. A healthy gut is a happy gut. Let's explore how daily consumption of clove tea can aid your digestion. Soothes stomach discomfort. Clove tea is known for its soothing properties, helping ease stomach discomfort, cramps, and bloating. It can provide relief when you're feeling uneasy. Alleviates gas and indigestion. If you struggle with gas and indigestion, clove tea may help. It relaxes the digestive tract muscles, allowing for smoother movement of food. Relief from nausea. Clove tea can be a natural remedy for nausea. Sipping it can calm an upset stomach and reduce that queasy feeling. Improved nutrient absorption. Clove tea can enhance your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients from the food you eat. This ensures your body gets the most from your meals. Antibacterial properties. Clove tea has natural antibacterial properties that can help prevent harmful bacteria in the digestive system, maintaining a healthy gut flora. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves can reduce inflammation in the gut, supporting the digestive process. Clove tea, with its natural properties, can be a soothing and effective way to support your digestion. Whether you're dealing with stomach discomfort, indigestion, or nausea, a cup of clove tea might be your new go-to remedy. 3. Weight loss. Losing weight is often a challenging endeavor, but it can be made easier with the right support and choices. One such choice is incorporating clove tea into your daily routine. Clove tea can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. It's packed with compounds that can help you shed those extra pounds. Clove tea may help boost your metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, which can aid in weight loss. Studies suggest that clove tea can help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar can prevent sudden cravings and overeating, which are often the culprits of weight gain. Clove tea has a reputation for reducing appetite. If you tend to snack excessively, a cup of clove tea might help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to munch on unhealthy snacks. 4. Dental health. Dental health is vital, not just for a sparkling smile, but for your overall well-being. After all, your mouth is the gateway to your body, and a healthy mouth can lead to a healthier you. Let's delve into how daily consumption of clove tea can promote your dental health. Natural antibacterial properties. Clove tea contains eugenol, a compound with powerful antibacterial properties. It can help combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Freshens breath. Clove tea has a natural, refreshing aroma. It can help neutralize bad breath, making your mouth feel cleaner and fresher. Pain relief for toothaches. The eugenol in clove tea acts as a natural analgesic, providing temporary relief from toothaches and oral discomfort. Reduced gum inflammation. Clove tea's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce gum inflammation and alleviate pain from conditions like gingivitis. Natural mouthwash. Clove tea can be used as a natural mouthwash to cleanse the mouth, kill bacteria, and promote better oral hygiene. Clove tea, with its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, can be a valuable addition to your daily dental care routine. Whether it's freshening your breath or providing relief from oral discomfort, A cup of clove tea can work wonders for your smile. 5. Respiratory health. Dealing with chest congestion and sinus troubles can be truly uncomfortable. But fear not, there's a natural solution that might offer some relief. Clove tea, with its aromatic warmth, has a history of being used as a remedy for respiratory issues. Its natural compounds can provide a breath of fresh air. Clove tea can help relax the respiratory muscles and may assist in reducing chest congestion. The warmth and aroma can also offer soothing comfort. If sinus congestion is your nemesis, the eugenol in clove tea can act as a natural decongestant. It may help clear those blocked sinuses and provide much-needed relief. Clove tea might be a natural and soothing addition to your daily routine if you're struggling with chest congestion or sinus troubles. But remember, it's not a replacement for professional medical advice and treatment. 6. Skin health. Radiant, healthy skin is a goal we all share. While skincare routines play a crucial role, what you put into your body matters too. Clove tea might just be the beauty booster you've been searching for. Antioxidants in clove tea help combat free radicals, which can accelerate skin aging. Sipping on this antioxidant-rich tea daily might help you maintain youthful, glowing skin. Clove tea's antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a natural choice for managing skin conditions. It can help clarify your skin, reducing acne and blemishes. If you're dealing with redness or inflammation, the anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea may offer relief, making your skin look calm and refreshed. By incorporating clove tea into your daily routine, you can enjoy consistent benefits for your skin. Of course, remember that a well-balanced diet and skincare routine are also essential for skin health. 7. AntiCancer Agent. Cancer is a formidable opponent, and the search for ways to prevent and support cancer treatment is ongoing. One such way might be as simple as a cup of clove tea every day. Clove tea is rich in antioxidants, and among these, one compound that stands out is eugenol. This compound has shown promise in the realm of cancer prevention and treatment. Antioxidants are known for their ability to neutralize free radicals, which can cause DNA damage and lead to cancer. Drinking clove tea daily can help bolster your body's defenses. Eugenol, a key component in cloves, has demonstrated potential as an anti-cancer agent in some studies. It's been explored for its role in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. By making clove tea a daily ritual, you're taking a proactive step in supporting your body's natural defenses against cancer. However, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals and maintain a balanced diet. 8. Stress relief. Stress is a common companion in our fast-paced lives, and finding natural ways to unwind is essential for our well-being. Clove tea may offer the relaxation you've been seeking. Clove tea contains eugenol, a compound known for its calming and stress-reducing effects. It's like a gentle hug for your nervous system. Studies have suggested that the aroma of cloves found in clove tea can help reduce anxiety levels. The warm, aromatic essence can be a balm for your frazzled nerves. Stress can lead to various health issues such as high blood pressure and digestive problems. Clove tea may help mitigate these ailments, indirectly promoting overall well-being. While clove tea has numerous benefits, it's crucial to understand potential risks as well. Drinking it daily isn't for everyone. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to cloves, which can lead to skin rashes, itching, or other allergic reactions. Gastrointestinal issues. Consuming too much clove tea might lead to upset stomach, acid reflux, or heartburn. Blood thinning. Cloves have blood-thinning properties, so excessive consumption can increase the risk of bleeding. Pregnancy and nursing. Pregnant and nursing women should limit clove tea intake due to potential adverse effects. Medication interactions. Clove can interact with certain medications, so consult your healthcare provider if you're on medication. In conclusion, drinking clove tea daily can be beneficial for many people, but it's essential to be aware of potential risks and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. As with any herbal remedy, moderation is key. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so always listen to your body. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health and wellness content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.